All right, guys. Warm welcome to all of you. It's indeed my pleasure to basically be part of this ATA GTR 2021 grand unveiling that we are doing today. This is our sixth edition of Global Testing Retreat. And let us see how the website looks now. Okay, this is our GTR right now. Okay. So may I request the web designer to please help us basically unveil and make sure that the website is viewable by all. Can we request our web designer to quickly do the setting? We'll just hold on for a minute. All right, here you go, guys. Can we have a round of applause? Okay, this is where we are. It is happening on 11 December. It's a virtual conference and it is happening in association. In fact, it is brought to you by Agile Testing Alliance, DevOps++ Alliance, and our partner for GTR, who has been with us for a very long time, I2IT, International Institute of Information Technology. May I call upon Adesh sir to basically help us address this sixth edition of our GTR. Adesh sir, all yours.
Yeah, good evening, everybody, and hi, Aditya. And basically, it was around 4 years back when I met Aditya in a conference here in I2IT in Pune, and I said yes, anything for you, Aditya. And then after that, I think 2 years continuous, we had the event on live in the campus. Obviously, great fun having you guys in the campus. And I will not forget the Houston call center, which we used to have it in my office. And so all the best, and we are always there for you, Aditya and Harsh and the other entire team of GTR. I think this time we should have more participants, right? Okay,
Yes.
and 3 cheers to all, right? Thank you very much.
Three cheers. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for the quick small unveiling, basically your address, if I can call it. It is your motivation and I2IT support that has basically led us here, and amazing stuff you guys are. A lot of support in physical conference. We really wish that we can do physical conference, but it is just that I don't think in 6 months
should happen.
Can you hear me now? There was a little glitch.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So thank you so much for this wonderful address, Ajay sir. And I would request others who are part of the organizing team to basically speak and say some few words. Abhay, Srinath, Amit, would you like to say something?
Srinath, please.
Yeah, sure. First time I met in 2017, I believe it was in the GTR conference with Adi and the team. From there, it's a great journey and a lot of learning from the GTR physical conference, as well as last year it was a virtual. We will be learning a lot from the GTR conference. So we will I am expecting the same thing from this conference as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Srinath. Thanks a lot. I think Deepti also joined. Deepti, would you like to share your thoughts about GTR, whatever you have seen and participated in the past editions? You being an organizer for us, we would really love to hear some words from you as well.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hello everyone. So I think I have been a part of GTR since 2 years now. So I have had a very good time being a part of the team, the organizing team, or even the conference. A lot of speakers and very varied topics come over with fun elements, and I think once in a year, such a mega event brings in glory for both the community and the members. So yeah, I have really enjoyed the experience.
So we again look forward for your presence, Deepti, on the organizing side. Looking forward to a wonderful stuff. I would also like to share basically before Abhay, can you say a few words and then I'll show the website and talk about that. The call for papers is on. Okay, Abhay, go ahead, please.
So hi all, very good evening. And It was 2017 once I first gone in the hotel and attended the first conference. Since then, the journey has started. Lots of learning, presentations. Even GTR has given me a chance to be a speaker as well. So in one of the conference, I have presented as well with my architect. So it was a great journey and great learning as well as meeting with people. Some people go in conferences to do the network, so best place to network people. Unfortunately, we are not able to do the physical conferences, so that little networking thing has been missing. But yes, we get connected with the people on LinkedIn in virtual conferences and follow them on Twitter, and whatever topics we have in the mind, they help us with that. So it's a great learning. So thank you so much, ATA, for all the conferences, basically the GTR, our biggest one. And kudos to the team. Let's make it great, grand, and better from last 5 editions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Amit, would you like to say something? Okay, not sure if Amit is there. I think I can see him, but I think he's on mute. Let me share the screen quickly, guys, and I'll show basically the website that is there. And remember, guys, these are the times we are talking about. Close to around 150 days odd remaining now. That's that was what the idea was. And if you look at the call for papers, the submission deadline for the first round is 15th August. So it's exactly 1 month from now. The conference GTR has always believed in giving opportunities to everybody. When I say everybody, we actually request anybody in the testing field to think that if they want to be a speaker in this mega event, they stand a chance. And we have seen that in the past editions, some of the people who actually participated for the first time won the best paper award. So I would again request everybody from the testing community to come forward and think about the ideas on which they can represent their company, their organization, or themselves, and they would be showcased on the website. Their photographs would be shown, their abstract title would be shown. So it's a wonderful opportunity for everybody to submit their papers. We welcome everybody, guys. This is the timeline. So we will have round 1, then we will have round 2, where we will, the selected ones, we will ask them to submit a video presentation. And then after that, if required, there would be interviews by jury members. So we are looking for jury members, and we'll be asking the industry stalwarts to basically help us choose the right papers as well. Plus, the organizing team will participate in that. So this is where we are. This is the first stuff that we launch. We'll be launching competitions as well. In the past editions, we have launched automathon, hackathons, quizathons. There are tons of other activities that we want to do, guys. So stay tuned. And this is it from my side. So how do you feel about it? And hopefully more and more people would participate. And we have kept a very nominal fee of $4 for international people as a super early bird. And for everybody who is from India, there is only a 200 rupees INR fees to register. The reason we are doing it is because if you look at how we have seen the free events, the free virtual event that we did, API Summit is one, and Selenium Summit is another one that we did this year. We had more than 1200, 1300 registrations, but the participation count always remained around 200. So in API Summit, the maximum concurrent users that we saw was 200. So let's see if you're serious. If you're serious and if you want to register, 200 rupees should not be too much for you guys to pay, right? So what do you guys think? Do you think it is a good idea? And we ensure that this becomes a conference for everybody, every speaker, everybody in testing domain can attend it. So I really wish that we can have people, 1000 people attend this conference. What do you guys think?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
I think with it, yeah, thumbs up. And I think, yeah, go ahead, Deepti, you want to say something?
No, I think, yeah, we can expect that much support in joining us globally.
Yeah, let's target that. So with a very nominal fee that we have. By the way, whatever happens, we are all happy. It is just that we want people to be seriously registering it, and we have serious registrations in place so that people can appreciate the fact that And the speakers also want audience. So those who register seriously would like to attend the conference. That's what our idea is, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I think this is what we planned, 10 to 15 minutes of grand unveiling. This is the first time we did this trial basis unveiling of the website. Hopefully you guys like it. Any suggestions here? We would be looking forward for the core team to let us know if there is something that we can do in this event. Any competition ideas, please keep on sharing, guys. Okay.
Yeah.